Outplay here. Today we are teaching you part 7 of a tutorial. So you remember we showed you the robbery system, right? I'm gonna teach you how to buy an item, how to make an item buyer. So first you're gonna need to find any model of food or drink. I'll just make it juice. So yeah, orange juice. So yeah, after we got that, okay, here's the orange juice. Where is it? Is the orange juice? No, that's just this thing. Okay, why do models literally go right over there? Most models actually go away. So yeah, this is our model. So yeah, we're going to need the script. What does this script even say? Oh, okay. This thing. We're just gonna put this in the workspace. Delete the orange juice. Actually, you know what? Let's just get another orange juice. And then let's put it in the replicated storage. Here's the orange juice we had, and let's just put it inside of the replicated storage. So we put it inside the replicated storage, okay, here, and then let's make a new script inside of this. And we're also going to insert a proximity prompt and name juice orange juice. Actually, let's delete this script and then just put it inside the server script service. We make a new script inside the server script service, and then you're going to need to follow my steps. Players.player added equals connect function pillar. So after doing that, I need to say this. I'm also teaching about Leaderstats because that's what you need to do. Local Leaderstats equals instance.new folder. And then leaderstats.name equals leaderstats. Make sure to set its local leaderstats L to short, or it will not, or it will think you're talking about something else. So leaderstats dot parent equals player. Other than that, local cast equals instance dot new number value, and then cast dot name equals cast dot parents equals leaderstats, and then you're gonna set the starter value of the cast. Let's just set it to 50. Okay, then that. Now we're going to make the variables. Local handle equals game.workspace.handle. Local tool equals game.replicate storage orange juice. So yeah. After than that, we're also gonna need to make dot proximity prompt. Yeah. Wait. Handle.triggered equals connect function gear. You can just call the function anything. Then you're going to say if cast.value plus equals 10. Wait, no, not like that. If it's bigger than 10, then if the cast value is bigger than 10, then we'll do this. Cast dot value minus 10. Okay, sorry, minus 10. Okay, no, minus equals 10. Okay, that's fixed. And then you're going to make it so that like jewel dot parent equals gear dot character, so the character will get it. Now let's test it out. Okay, so we load it inside of the tutorial. Okay, here we are. Now here is this thing. Let's buy it. Now we have it. And then why isn't? Oh, okay. So we're gonna need to make this L. Yeah, you're gonna need to make it like this. Leaderstats. Now let's test it out. Okay, so I load it in. Now let's, yeah, I have to cast. You see? I have cast. Now I got it. I got the orange juice. And if you want to make it so that it will give it multiple, like not just one, like you get one and then you try to get more, but you still have the one you have. It's actually an easy way. You can just equals clone, so it'll clone. And wait, you can just make it tool equals clone tool dot parent equals gear dot character. So now it will clone, and then we'll give it to the player, and clone and so the original one will stay in the replicated storage, but the clone will be given to the player. So if he keeps triggering it, and then it'll keep getting more and more. It just won't get one. Yeah. Let's see it out. So I have one piece. Okay, I think I gotta make the variable equals clone. I mean colon clone. I sometimes call it the colon and equals. Okay, so I load it in the game. Let's check it out. Okay, it's here. What? Okay, so I made a text label on the screen so I can make it invisible and make its text like this. There. Now there's no more. Yep, there's only one juice so they have, and then I changed the script a bit to this. Yeah. Now let's test it out. Okay, so I load it in and okay, fell off, dude. And then after I put this, does it have a link in the script? That's all for today. If this helped you, hit that like button or even subscribe or even hit that bell.